Hey guys, Kapil here from WebBased.com. Today, we just wanted to show you how to provide feedback to our designers using the Notable app. And Notable is basically a context-sensitive application that allows you to provide inline comments as part of the design feedback, so that our designers are aware of exactly what you're looking for, where you want the changes made, and what type of changes or copywriting changes, etc., that you're looking for. So let's get started. Basically, initially you'll get an email from our project management system with a link to your design. So let's say, we're working on your homepage design, what have you, and here's the email that comes in and looks something like this. You'll click on it, and you're automatically taken into the Notable app. And here's your design. Awesome. It's just, our current homepage we're just using for this training video, but there you go. So we'll go ahead and click on your design here, and that will maximize the page. So this is really the power of Notable. So let's say, you don't like the way this background looks. You can just kind of, boom, drag and make an area and just say, I don't like the color of this background. Yep. Boom. Context sensitive feedback. Even anywhere you like. So that's really the power of Notable. It's pretty easy. That way we know exactly what you're talking about. If you don't like this font, fan of the bold text option. There you go. Awesome. That way our designers know exactly what you're talking about and where you want the changes made. So that's one way of providing feedback in Notable. And the other option is here, page level commenting. So you can say, love the design and concept. Great work, team. There you go. That's a page level comment that will go back to our designers here. And obviously your context sensitive items are graciously labeled here for you and for our designers as well. You can also respond with an image, so for instance, you can do something like this. Let's say you don't want to use this Google image. You could highlight this area and say, uploaded, please comment, right? Oh, and then you can actually go back to reply with an image, and you can actually go ahead and upload an image of sorts and say, use this for point 3. So you can kind of tie things together as well. You know what I mean? So that way the designers will know that, hey, you don't like this image and you want to use this one instead. So there you go. That's pretty much about it. So once you're done making your updates in Notable, just kind of exit out of the page and go back to your email and just let our designers know, hey team, there you go. And it's on its way. From there, our design team will be notified. Your specific designer will go ahead and get cracking on your web page and render a new version in the Notable app, and you'll get another email. So that's kind of how our design process works in a nutshell. It's important to note that in the initial phases of design, you'll see just lorem ipsum here, and lorem ipsum is actually copywriting text, so you don't want to worry about the copy. Really, we just use that as it's basically placeholder text. It'll kind of look like this. Oh, it's just kind of like random text made to mimic natural language, and that's the purpose of it. So you'll see a lot of our designs and comps come in, and you might, you might notice this gibberish on the page, but it's just placeholder text. So remember, there's going to be a separate phase for copy and copywriting where we're going to ask you for all the content. So initially, you just want to worry about the page layout, the color scheme, the typography, and the fonts, etc. That's the stuff you want to look at. Don't worry about the copywriting. We're just going to go ahead and use lorem ipsum. That's the purpose of it. Okay. All right. Thanks so much, and have a great day.